Kajilang hakawat kabaar hapadang kimitrang ba kajala Meghalaya bat Assam man pinbe yoput sam khamtam hakikat artli ki jaka ki ba kajala Meghalaya kalakado badan kejeknan kilara bini pinbe chwa hendrutli nakite ki jaka habakran siklar pathai kubor hadian blawai kajelang hagauti haka santarik unailar arjar apuai umitrang ba kajala Meghalaya konrad ke sangma ulong ba kajelang kalongkal bajob pat baro arjala ki kwa banwengi kejinge hakabai dei bat upul usam ulong ba kidan ki jaka ki ba khamsuk bat khamso sat banwengi kejinge Henry kinyai de kapali ulong bakin sedang swa nan rutli ki jaka bakan thup yakatara bari jizang hahim bokla khanapara pilangkata pat rata chera ulong bakila rairu bakin don marlai tili ki regional committee nabaro arjala bat ban clear do menteri sarkar ulong bakini committee kin IT kakapat hapo lai posingi bakin le chngo yakini ki jaka badan jinge kanan.
Therefore, there is a very strong political will to find an amicable solution to these areas of differences. Number two, we have also agreed that whatever we do, it must be done in a respectful manner, and both the states need to respect each other. Today in the meeting, we had a detailed presentation given by the government of Assam on 6 of the areas of the differences that are there out of 12. The strategy which both the state governments have agreed to follow is to take up these matters in a phase-wise manner. So there are areas which are slightly lesser complicated, some slightly more, and some very complicated. So therefore, we would like to resolve these issues by taking the disputes or the areas of differences in a phase-wise manner. Therefore, we have decided that 6 areas out of the 12. 1. Tarabari, 2. Gizang, 3. Hahim, 4. Boklapara, 5. Khanapara Pilangkata, and 6. Ratachera. Out of these 12 areas of differences, these 6 areas is what we have decided that we will move towards finding an amicable solution to these. In the interest of ensuring that it's done in a much faster manner, we have also decided that there will be regional committees that will be formed by both the states, which will be headed by a cabinet minister. So we have 3 regions where these 6 areas of differences fall in. So in these 3 regions, we have 3 committees from Meghalaya and 3 committees from Assam, and both will be headed, or I should say both sides will be headed, each committee will be headed by one cabinet minister. And we have decided also that we will focus on number 1, historical facts, number 2, ethnicity, number 3, administrative convenience, number 4, willingness and the overall sense of the people's sentiments, and number 5, contiguity. Based on these 5 areas or these 5 terms, we will try to find a way forward, and we have urged these committees to submit their reports and their findings after making joint visits to the different areas and locations. That we will focus on number 1, historical facts, number 2, ethnicity, number 3, administrative convenience, number 4, willingness and the overall sense of the people's sentiments, and number 5, contiguity. Based on these 5 areas or these 5 terms, we will try to find a way forward, and we have urged these committees to submit their reports and their findings after making joint visits to the different areas and locations within the next 30 days. Within these 30 days, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will also be making some visits to some of the areas of differences also, in order to give a positive message to the people and to show our keenness and willingness to move forward to finding a solution to this very, very important and long pending difference and dispute that the 2 states have. So once again, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the Government of Assam for having invited us for this meeting, and I'm very, very positive that with the right political will and with respect for each other and ensuring that realities of today's world are also taken into consideration, that we will be able to find a solution to these difficult problems that we face.
Nakaliang himanta Biswasrama Mentirang ba Kajala Assam Ulong ba Kajala Assam Kamdon ki cakai kanat kaput bat kini khat artli ki bala kadau da Kajala Meghalaya onnomla banweng jing e ya manta Ulong ba ki caka hendrutuli ki bala kadau da Kajala Meghalaya ki de kaput bat Kachar district Kamrup Metro bat Kamrup district jong Kajala Assam bat ka Meghalaya ki de kaput jong ka West Castles East Jantia Hills bat Riboy district Ulong ba kum kadak ka jingya sakamat kakam mau bat umentirang ba Kajala Meghalaya kinle jingo ya kalangpi ban pen I shakin nong song snong ya kaching thumu kwa baro artli ki sarkar ki kwa ban putulong.
Of course, as the committees will be headed by cabinet minister from both the side, the differences will be narrowed down during the committee meeting itself, so that our meeting only become a kind of our job will be only to authenticate it, what will be definitely arrive between the two sides in the regional committee setup itself. If the difference still exists between the regional committees, then of course the matter will be taken up at the level of the chief minister or in the level of a higher forum. Once that these 6 disputes are resolved, gradually we will move to the other 6 places. But in the meantime, as a measure of goodwill, we have decided that Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will go to Lampi also once, so that the people are actually can be feel assured that we are going to resolve the complicated issues also. It is not that we are not going to resolve the complicated issue, but we will start from less complicated issues and we will move towards more complicated issues. Up to the government of Meghalaya to notify that 5 names, and of course from Assam side we will also notify the 5 names. These 10 people who will be nominated by each of the government will in turn visit the sites, interact with the civil society, Gaon Bura, Panchayat members, teachers and other civil society members. They will complete their discussion within a period of 30 days, because as after the presentation from both sides, we realize that this may not be a very complex matter. So as such, there will be a presentation or there will be deliberation in the regional committees, and after 30 days when we will meet again either in Shillong in Guwahati, the respective committee will give their recommendation that what should be done, what not to be done. Of course, as the committees will be headed by cabinet minister from both the side, the differences will be narrowed down during the committee meeting itself, so that our meeting only become a kind of our job will be only to authenticate it, what will be definitely arrive between the two sides. From Assam side, these are in Kachar district, Kamrup Metro and Kamrup district. From Meghalaya side, it is in West Khasi Hills, Rivoy and East Jaintia Hills. So what we have done, for these 3 districts, we have taken the name of Meghalaya for the purpose of reference. So there will be a regional committee which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Meghalaya side, which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Assam side, and the 3 regional committees will be there to resolve dispute which are there for West Khasi Hills, Rivoy and East Jaintia Hills. Now, this committee will also include bureaucrats and maybe the local representative. We have decided that from both sides, committee will be constituted with 5 members. Now it is up to the government of Meghalaya to notify that 5 names, and of course from Assam side we will also notify the 5 names. These 10 people who will be nominated by each of the government will in turn visit the sites. Of course, from Assam side, we don't have any dispute, but dispute has arisen because government of Meghalaya has claimed certain territory in these 12 locations. When we met in Shillong, we decided that all these 12 disputes cannot be resolved at a time. So we have to take a step-by-step approach. In the last meeting held in Shillong, government of Meghalaya had given a presentation flagging their perspective on the issues. Today, government of Assam has given a presentation highlighting our point of view. Basically, after threadbare discussion, both in Shillong and Guwahati, we found that it will be good if we start with 6 locations. Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya has already indicated what are those 6 locations. From Assam side, these are in Kachar district, Kamrup Metro and Kamrup district. From Meghalaya side, it is in West Khasi Hills, Rivoi and East Jaintia.